Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. And I know it's been a while. Actually, I've uploaded a new video because I was away from desk. Yeah, sometimes I touch grass. But anyways, we are back and I'm gonna try to be more frequent from now on. Though I've got a lot of things recently actually on my plate, but I'm trying my best. Anyways, so in this video, we are going to be talking about a bug that AI cannot find, because usually some people are panicking thinking that AI can find literally everything. People think Expo can find a lot of stuff, and yeah, AI does help with finding bugs and reconnaissance or automation and stuff. It helps you with the tedious task, but there are some kind of bugs that only humans can find, and AI can struggle with that. So I'm going to show you a report similar to that scenario, and it can help you understand, okay, not everything AI can do. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so loading up that report here. And I know I'm looking more messier than I usually look because I didn't feel to face cam today, but I'm doing it because I thought it would be a little boring if I don't do it. But anyways, so we can see the text clearly. So yeah, as you can see the number of this report, and I'll provide the link in the description as well so you can check it out as well. So it says privilege escalation from any user, including external, to GitLab admin when admin impersonates you. I mean, looking at the title sounds a little bit confusing, but if I read through the summary, it will make much more sense. Hey team, I've discovered a way for any logged in user, attacker, to escalate his privileges to GitLab administrator if the real GitLab administrator impersonates attacker account. So basically in GitLab there is a functionality called impersonation where an admin can impersonate a user to do some kind of task, let's say troubleshooting or helping them. I mean, usually, these applications have these features. So if a person or a user is struggling with something, the admin can just, log into their account or impersonate that account in this case and help them out with it. So no need to share the password or anything. The admin can just do it whenever they want it. So obviously that's something interesting. And also this report is actually from 2019, so keep that in mind. Well, we have the description here. When the GitLab admin impersonates some user, he gets a new GitLab session, okay? Cookie. So when the admin impersonates some user, he gets a new cookie, and then clicking at stop impersonating, he gets his own admin cookie back. And it does make sense actually if you think about it. When he's trying to impersonate, he gets a new cookie, and when he wants to go back, he'll get back to his own session, right? So the cookie will be different, which is for admin. Okay, keeping this in mind, the vulnerability is that the impersonated user, attacker in our case, can see impersonated session at the active session. So he can switch it to it manually, setting it in cookie, and click stop impersonating by himself. This is why now he can become GitLab administrator. So what's happening here is someone is impersonating you, so you will also get a notification in your active session that, okay, someone is impersonating you. Obviously, this is a security feature, so you will know if someone is impersonating you or checking in your stuff, just like similar to Instagram. When someone log into your Instagram, you get a notification, hey, someone logged in, is that you? It was logged in from this particular location, so you get a notification, right? So similar to that, you will get a notification in the active sessions, and you'll be able to see what kind of sessions are active right now. So when you click on stop impersonating, the admin will simply get logged out from that session and won't be able to impersonate you anymore. So obviously this is again a security feature, so you can stop it as well on your side if you don't want that to happen. But usually these features are for helping other users, of course. So what are the steps? What's going on here actually? So this is what we understood how the feature works. We don't jump right directly into the bug. Okay, that's not how you should approach things. Try to understand the functionality first. So this is what's happening right now, and what he did. Let's see. Steps to reproduce. Sign into the GitLab app as some user. Okay, go to the active session setting tab and revoke all the sessions beside the current active one. This is how it looks like. You have all the active session. You can just click on revoke to stop that session. So as you can see, if admin is logged in to this account, they will see a session like this with an IP, last accessed, and the browser name, and you can just click on revoke if you don't want it. Sign into GitLab app in the other browser as administrator. Obviously, for testing purposes, you need 2 accounts, admin and a normal user account. Okay, so go to users admin section and impersonate attacker user. Okay, admin basically logged in into his own account and now trying to impersonate the attacker. Update the active session tab as attacker. So now in the other account where we have the attacker, it's going to update it, like refresh and make sure the second session appeared there. So after refreshing, you'll see a session appear that is the admin that got logged into your account. Hopefully this is making sense. Cool. Inspect the revoke button and make sure you see the session ID there. The thing is, when you inspect the revoke button, you will see the session ID. What is this session ID? This is actually not your session ID. This is a session ID of the admin, which actually shouldn't be here. So go to the index page of GitLab as attacker. So this is the path he provided in this case, and okay. Then clear attacker browser cookie and then replace that cookie value with the new cookie that you found out by inspecting the revoke button, and then manually set GitLab session. So as you can see, document cookie, and then we have GitLab session with a particular value which is redacted in this case, but you can understand. Then refresh the attacker space and make sure you are now inside the impersonated session. Okay, this is really tricky actually. So basically what's happening here is you copied the cookie of the admin and then you pasted it in your own session, and now you are the one who is impersonating. But this impersonation feature is only available to admin, means only admin has the privileges to do that. So when you copy that cookie, you also have that impersonation feature enabled because you are now the admin, and now you can just click on stop impersonating and you are now logged in as admin. I know this sounds a bit crazy, but let's read a bit more. Click stop impersonating at the top right corner as attacker and make sure you're not logged in as GitLab admin. I mean, this is exactly what I just said. So this is actually really crazy. So what's happening here is actually, as you can see, the weakness says privilege escalation, but privilege escalation is actually the impact here because you're becoming the administrator after exploiting this vulnerability. But to be honest, the bug here is actually insecure design, because when you inspect the revoke button, you shouldn't be able to see someone else's cookies, right? It wasn't designed properly and you shouldn't be able to see that. The supposed to be feature in this case was just to click on revoke, nothing an attacker can see from their side, especially not the admin cookies. But the thing is, anyone can see the admin cookie if the admin is impersonating them. Hope this makes sense. So this is insecure design, and because he got the cookie, he was able to perform session hijacking by replacing the session cookie value in the browser and replacing it with the admin session cookie, and eventually getting logged in as admin, which leads to privilege escalation. So can you see how the chaining is happening here? First we have insecure design, then we have session hijacking, and then we have privilege escalation. So this is really crazy, and this is the kind of thing that AI can't do, to be honest, because this is chaining stuff. Okay, AI cannot think much on, they can do the basic stuff. They can also call it a business logic vulnerabilities, because what happens is business logic. It's basically about the flow of the application wasn't designed properly or implemented properly, which eventually leads to unintended behavior. And in this case, that behavior was basically leaking the admin session cookie in the revoke button for a normal user, which shouldn't be happening. So yeah, I think this report is really amazing, a bit tricky actually. Anyways, I'm trying to explain you how things actually work here, and things like this AI cannot find, because AI cannot go much into looking for insecure design or business logic vulnerabilities. I believe it's hard for AI to find business logic vulnerabilities because it requires more of creative thinking, and weird stuff happens because in business logic the patterns are not predictive, right? AI works on the data that are fed to it, and it works on predicted patterns and try to match up, with conditions and see if that works or not. But in this case, you can see this is so weird actually. Who would think that, okay, inspecting the revoke button, you'll see somehow a session cookie? That's so weird. I mean, yeah. So yeah, stuff like this where you're chaining stuff, doing crazy things, exploring functionality, thinking out of the box is really important. And if you keep doing that, if you understand vulnerabilities like this, you won't be defeated by AI. I know a lot of people are panicking a little, thinking that, okay, AI is doing everything now. What now? No, it's not gonna happen, actually. You just need to get smarter as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. I have actually created a video on business logic vulnerabilities. Specifically, you can definitely check that out from the I button. And I think it will definitely help you because these are something unique. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.